how to find Truecaller messaging settings on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find the messaging settings on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. First open Truecaller and now click on your profile here and then click settings and then click messaging, and here you can manage messaging settings, and that's it. Just manage it and then go back. It will be saved, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.